Hey, what's up everyone? Okay, so this is a very quick tutorial for a friend, basically. I'm not gonna say his name, but his first name is Gaucho and second name is Grill. That was the bet. And I think I'm going to choose a Merlot, a 2000 Merlot. Okay, so here's the argument. It wasn't an argument, it was a friendly argument. And his point was when you do something like this on a greens, this is a green LED back, okay, and you have a not only green screen, but it's a lot of spill you can see on the wheels, on the reflections. I tried to replicate that on the windows, but there's, this is a really small plastic car that has no windows here. But here's a good example of the wheel, how you see the reflection. This all over the car, this green spilling. So how you remove that, how you avoid to be, let's say I do the KeyLight. So this is what the argument was. If you choose the color, and of course you're gonna have all this transparency around, which is, he's not wrong. The problem is how you fix something like that. So let's put a background here with space so you can see all the stars going through, and yeah, that's of course is gonna happen. Let's go to the matte, and this is what you see right now. This is shot with an iPhone. It's gonna be compressed, so you're gonna have a lot of artifacts. So how you solve that? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go specifically on the KeyLight. There's many, there are 27 ways to do this, but the way you do it on KeyLight. Okay, so you're gonna take the clip back and you grab it. You see how this is start cleaning up on the blacks, and right around, yeah, right there. Now you're gonna take the white, and now the magic happens. Okay, well, before you go the other way, and there's another setting that you have here. It's called screen depot black, which is going to get rid of this hard spot, like the reflection on the wheel. I would say 20. And now of course you're going to do color correction and all the stuff. So that's how it used to be before. This is what you don't want, and this is what you want. Okay, Gaucho Grill has many locations in Los Angeles. I might get one of the biggest mistake that they have prime ribs and some Merlot, maybe year 2000, something like that. I don't know, I gotta think about it. Okay guys, that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to get a free Gaucho Grill. Okay, see you next time.